mind structure has been very helpful in my journey in education. In terms of having enriching content in lessons and supplementary worksheets that I can do practices on, what I learned in mind structure have always been applicable to what I learned in school. Furthermore, the teachers in mind structure are always very approachable. For instance, I often approach my science teacher in mind structure to ask her some questions I have regarding her lessons and also to clarify some doubts I have regarding my schoolwork and during my own revision. I believe that in secondary school, it is about discovering our own strengths and what all of us are passionate about. For example, I was really interested in social innovation during primary school because of my primary school, which cultivated the consciousness of social innovation. So I used social innovation as the domain to DSA into Cedar. My journey in secondary school have definitely not been a smooth sailing one. There were many ups and downs when I had to persevere, and I also had to learn how to cope with pressure and time management from my academic grades and also co-curricular activities. I believe that it is very important for us to remember what our goals and our hobbies are. During our own free time, we should engage in our hobbies. It is also very important to have proper time management so that we do not deviate from our goals. All in all, secondary school is not only the end of our primary school journey, but also the start of a new one that all of us should look forward to. I'm very thankful to the teachers who have helped me to be who I am today. I would like to thank Mr. Alvin, my teachers, and also my parents who have supported me thus far. Mr. Alvin had helped me a lot in my journey from primary school to secondary school, in which he provided me a lot of advice on how I should revise for PSLE and also some tips for DSA. My parents have also been a very supportive pillar for me, in which I could rely on them.